Hey guys, it's Rumble Fan 345, and it's getting close to the weekend, so I think you'll see a lot more videos. Now, I'm doing this for Top Master. He likes Angry Birds, and here's something new. I don't know if you can see that, but it's keychain Angry Birds. It's available pre-order. Like more. I have a white bird. The red bird. I don't know Angry Birds a lot, so the red bird's my favorite. You'll see a lot more Angry Bird videos because Top Master is like the best YouTube guy on YouTube. He gives me more details. He gives me anything. Don't do a lot of punk videos anymore, actually. Just telling you. And here's the little pig guy. Thank you for watching.